Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, Edukitchen Recipes for Learning, where we provide online educational support for your learning needs in maths and English. My name is Dani Khalfa and I'm the CEO and founder of Edukitchen Recipes for Learning.
This video will help you navigate our website and see all the different services we have available. First, we look at what a recipe for learning means. We offer online educational services that help teachers and students set and meet their educational goals. We present international test preparation strategies to help students succeed with tests such as the IELTS, TOEFL, or SATs. We share our knowledge on teaching and learning through our educational blogs that can help inspire teachers and students. We provide links to valuable educational resources for teaching and learning. With our online educational services, we help guide teachers and students with meeting their educational goals through positive mindsets and tools to help build skills needed in the classroom. We offer tutoring support services with learning maths and English for students in middle school to university. Connect with us with our 1-hour online tutoring sessions where we can help with learning in real time. Send us a message and ask about our services pricing. Our blogs are meant to inspire teaching and learning in new ways to help build the enthusiasm and confidence to meet educational goals using patience and skills to help get teachers and students to where they need to be. We also believe in mental health as a tool for helping with meeting educational goals. On our international test preparation page, you find useful information on popular tests such as the TOEFL, IELTS, and SAT, along with video highlights as to how to prepare for each section of the tests. We also offer ways to see which test is best for you. When you are ready, you can contact us with your requests and we will be happy to help. You can also message us to ask questions or leave comments about our services. Click on the button Register here to sign up for our services. Provide your email, your name, and which service you would like. We also offer a free monthly newsletter highlighting important topics we cover, so go ahead and sign up. It's free. When you click onto our About page, you can learn more about what Edukitchen means and what's in the name Edukitchen. You can see and learn more about me, Dani Khalfa, and how I support teachers, help students, and how we support English language learners to excel, and how we also think laughter is important to help inspire learning. On our resources page, we look at valuable online tools that are free that every classroom needs to help with learning topics such as maths, language, and science.
For watching the video on our website navigation, we hope you would like, share, and subscribe to Edukitchen Recipes for Learning for more educational videos that help teachers and students with meeting their educational goals. And until next time, keep learning and have fun.